Welcome back to another section. Let's quickly look at common multiples of odd numbers, just as we considered common factors of odd numbers. Odd numbers do not have a better relationship. Example 3 and 5. Once you're asked to find the common multiples of 3 and 5, common multiples of 3 and 5, multiples of 3 and 5. What you do quickly here is, you can see the same method. 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. You keep going that way. You cannot exhaust all the numbers. For 5, you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. You cannot exhaust the numbers. But if you look at it carefully, we have 15 is common, 30 is common. They are more common factors. So the common multiples of 3 and 5 will be 15 and 30. At this point that we have stopped. I said in multiples, because we cannot exhaust the numbers, they will always give us specification. Yes, they will always give us specification. But if you want to know the first multiple of 3 and 5, if you do not want to use this method, just multiply 3 and 5, you get 15. So if you ask, what is the first multiple? What is the first multiple, common multiple of 2 and 7? I wouldn't want to waste much time since they say the first multiple of 2 and 7. That will be 2 times 7. That will give us 14. But if you want to use this method, the multiple chain method, you have 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You have 7, 7, 14, 21. You can see 14 is common, which is the first multiple. So once you're giving specification, ensure you stop at that area. If you ask what is the first 2 common multiple of, what is the first 2 common multiple? What is the first 2 common multiples of 5 and 7? What you do will be 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Let me stop there. For 7, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 56, 63, 70. Let's see. 35 is common. 70 is common. Can you see that? So the first 2 common multiples of 5 and 7 will be 35 and 70. So this is how you go about finding common multiples of numbers. They will always give you specification, the limit at which you should work and stop to help you get the right answer. Otherwise, you cannot exhaust the multiples of numbers. See you in our next